This is what is going on in Ekiti State, in a school in Bashiri, Ekiti. I was there this afternoon to pick up my child, and this is what happened. Since 8 a.m. the school has been sealed, the gate locked, and the children are there. There are little children there. No one to attend to them. Parents cannot come in to pick up their kids. They said the government Taskforce came to lock the children, lock the school. And this has to stop. These children are not animals. We are all human beings. They should just give a notice for the parents to come in and pick up their kids. Then you can lock up the school. But how can you lock a school up since morning? This is almost to 4 now. And you said they are coming to reopen the school, and you didn't come back, and there are children there which are not even feeling fine, and you lock up the school and you left. The school authority have called severally.